Okay, here's a different keypad. I'm in my grandma's house, and they have the DSC, but this time, oh, it's so hard. I have the labels. Chime, stay away, chime, reset, and exit. The code, and then you can know all this. These are fire, medical, and police. Let's go test the chime. Ready? We have another keypad in here. Same exact thing right here. Like always, fire, medical, police. Stay away, chime, reset, and exit. All done. These are the arrow keys that get you to the next page. Let's test this. Yeah, that does work. These sirens in the attic. Only the attic. That's it.